Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to enable the edge lightings on this device. Simply open your settings. Now scroll down. Here you can see the option notifications. Tap on this one. Now here you can see the option notification pop-up style. Tap on this one. This one. Now you have to select the option brief. Okay. Now here you can see the option add lighting effect. Tap on this one. So here you can see lots of lighting effects. You can see whenever you got the notifications, then you can see these type of lightings. So according to your choice, you can select any one from here. Okay. So simply here I am going to select this one, and after this one tap on done. I selected one glitter effect. And here you can see one more options, show brief pop-ups even while screen off. Okay, if you enable this one, whenever the screen is turned off, then also you can see that notification light around your screen. So simply in this way we can enable the edge lightings on this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.